With shaded rendering, take advantage of real-time processing to visualize your projects with confidence at every stage of the design. Quickly simulate your scenes to determine the proper light, camera, and material settings to create better visuals to impress your clients. You can choose from a variety of settings to create the perfect visuals you need. For the most basic renderings, using edges and ambient occlusion can be perfect during the conceptual design phase. Augment the quality of your rendering by adding textures, reflections, light sources, and shadows to get to the next level. Like light sources, shadows can be limited to 8. But for the best results, use all light sources to cast shadows, adding a high level of realism to your render views. The Shaded Options dialog contains 3 tabs: General, Camera, and Quality. Quality options control the level of quality for the 3D geometry and shadows. The highest settings will give you the more accurate results. The General tab includes controls for the visibility of textures, colors, shadows, and edges. Anti-aliasing controls the pixelation. You also find all the lighting options such as environment lighting, reflections, and object reflections, and a direct way to access your advanced lighting options and background options, making this process more efficient. With the Camera tab, you can choose to add various camera effects, greatly enhancing your shaded views as you navigate your model. With Depth of Field, you can add a blurry effect for all objects beyond and in front of the assigned focus distance. Fine-tune the area where objects are clearly defined or increase blurriness in the background and in the foreground with a low-value f-stop. Exposure settings control how much light is in your scene. Increasing ISO film speed will make your render view brighter. The shutter speed option has a similar effect on the brightness of the scene. Combining exposure settings with f-stop will in reverse reduce the brightness as you increase the f-stop value. All these settings behave just like a real-world camera. Bloom effects can be used in combination with exposure settings. This option adds a beautiful halo effect around glowing surfaces. By incorporating camera effects in your shaded renderings options, you will save time with the ability to quickly transfer the settings to a camera object, making the preparation of your views for processing a high-quality Renderworks rendering seamless and more efficient. Shine the best light on your projects with a real-time pre-visualization workflow. Better explore your designs, make informed decisions faster, effectively communicate your vision, and win more work with high-quality shaded renderings.